Hi, I'm Daniel Batten from the Bay of Plenty Regional Council. I'm a works foreman mainly based in the Upper Kaituna catchment, which is in Rotorua. My work's mainly focused around stream bank erosion and maintenance of council assets. So my favourite part about working for the Bay of Plenty Regional Council in my role is most of it's based outdoors. About 90% of my work's outdoors. I like the interaction between the landowners and our customers and the services we provide. I recommend working for the Bay of Plenty Regional Council because you can't beat working outside on a nice day and having the opportunity to enhance the environment around you.